In this video, I'll be showing you how to use images as filters, as shown above right here. So starting with the first step, let's get to a brand new worksheet. We are using the Superstore dataset that Tableau provides. So in here, in order to use images as filters, first step would be to drag the category, and we are going to drag this onto the shelf right here and convert this into shapes. After we'll be dragging this onto the shapes, and we see that furniture is coming up as a circle, office supplies is coming up as a square, and technology is coming up as a plus. So it's real easy to turn these into pictures. We are going to go into the shape section and go to the drop down, select shape palette, and currently we have these as shapes. So in order to create these, let's find some brand new images. So we have three different images. So we have furniture. We can use a flip art, and we can select any of these images. Let's go with a different image. Let's go with this one, and we're gonna go ahead and save the picture, and we will be saving this in the my Tableau repository. So you're going to go to documents, my Tableau repository, go to shapes, and over here we will be creating a new folder, and we will call it category shapes. Open it up and you can save the image right here. We're going to follow the same process for all three of those different fields. So office supplies, we can use this as an office supply. It doesn't matter if the image is PNG, JPEG. Go ahead and save this, and let's go for the last one, technology. Let's take, you can use this as an image. Go ahead and go save as, and save it in this folder, category shapes. Once this is done, you can go ahead and reload the palettes, and you will see that our new folder is created in here, and which is called category shapes. So we're going to go ahead and click on furniture and assign it this picture. Office supplies would be the stapler, and technology would be the computer. Go ahead and click on apply and press OK. So the next step over here would be to drag this into the columns shelf. You can hide the title, you can hide the field label, and you can hide, and you can do uncheck the show header. Afterwards, drag this down. Let's drag it over here, and we can increase the shape, the size of these images, and we can also drag category onto labels. So we have labels. In order to move these below the images, we're going to go ahead and go to labels. Let's make them a little bit bigger. Let's do size 10. Click on apply, press OK. The alignment, we're going to go ahead and move it on the bottom, and drag this further. Labels, let's put it in the middle, and let's make this a different font. So over here we see that there are borders around this. We can go ahead and remove these as well. We're going to go ahead and click on borders, columns, and we're going to make this, we're going to go to rows and go ahead and click on on the row divider. So this would remove the borders up here. Let's create another worksheet. Let's drag category, sales. Since we already have category, let's drag subcategory and sales. Let's convert this into a bar chart and add the figures. We can also drag the subcategory to the color. Let's drag category to the color, and this would tell us that technology is red, office supplies is orange, and furniture is blue. We can also convert these into dollar. Let's convert the sales into dollar. Right click, format. We're gonna go ahead and go to sales. Let's see. So format. Okay, over here scale. Numbers, we will change it to currency. And okay, let's see. Format, sum of sales into currency. Let's see. Sum of sales, dollar, automatic. Labels, format, change this into dollars. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna right click over here, go to the pane and change the default to a dollar figure, and we have the amounts in dollars now. We're gonna go ahead and create another sheet. In this sheet we can have the states. So let's drag, or we can also go right here, do state, right click, show filter, and we can go ahead and put these onto a dashboard. So let's drag our images right here. We can go ahead and remove this since we already have the text on the bottom. So we can go ahead and close this out. We can hide the title, and there you go. Let's drag our second sheet on here, and we can drag the state up here, and let's resize each of these different. Since we already have dollar figures up here, we don't need the row on the bottom, so we can uncheck show header, and we can change the title to sales by subcategory. Let's make this bolded out, press OK. Let's make this smaller, and let's move this to the right. Afterwards, it's real simple. You can just go up here. I use this as a filter, and now if we were to click on any of these different images, it would filter out the dashboard. So furniture, sales, office supplies, technology, and you can filter these by individual states. So Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, office supply sales, and so on. So here's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching. Till next time.